Have you ever wondered how a CPA practice can benefit your law firm? Imagine having a financial expert who not only helps you save money on taxes, but also improves your cash flow. CPA practices are like the secret weapon of law firms. They have the expertise to identify tax deductions, analyze revenue and expenses, and provide valuable financial advice. They can guide your firm's financial decisions and even help plan for retirement. Indeed, a CPA practice can be a game changer for your law firm. You might be asking, how exactly can a CPA practice save your law firm money? Well, the magic lies in their expertise. CPAs are wizards at identifying tax deductions and credits you might be missing out on. These are opportunities that, when seized, can result in substantial savings. But that's not all. By analyzing revenue and expenses, CPAs can find ways to improve your cash flow, keeping your firm's financial health in check. Hence, a CPA practice doesn't just support your law firm, it boosts your bottom line. But the benefits of a CPA practice extend beyond just the financial. Yes, indeed, a CPA practice can be a treasure trove of strategic advice. Whether it's deciding to invest in groundbreaking technology or contemplating the expansion of your practice, a CPA can provide valuable insights. They can even help you sketch out a financial roadmap for retirement. Remember, this isn't just about crunching numbers. With a CPA practice, your law firm gains a strategic partner, not just a service provider. So what's standing between your law firm and a CPA practice, like Huddleston Tax CPAs? Consider the many benefits we've discussed: the tax savings, improved cash flow, and invaluable financial advice. Huddleston Tax CPAs is more than an investment. It's a strategic partner that can help you navigate the complexities of your firm's finances. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in a CPA practice today and let your law firm reap the rewards tomorrow.